What's up? So I was just thinking that I know I speak to a lot of people, and a lot of people say that they're lazy or they're not motivated, and I really, for most of the people that I speak to, I don't think that's the case. I think the problem is that they've tried a lot. They've put in the work and they didn't get the reward out of it. They didn't get what they were wanting. And this, I don't think this happened once. I don't think this happened twice. I think this has continually been happening. So, I mean, imagine if you go through life and you're putting out all this effort but not getting what you want in return. I think eventually you're just going to be like, well, what's the point? So now you just feel lazy, unmotivated. You know what I'm saying? So, again, I don't think that people are lazy. I think that they're putting their focus on the wrong things. Intermittent fasting. Oh, cut this food out, cut that food out. Oh, what time should I stop eating till? What foods? But those things really don't matter as much as people think or are, led to believe. And if you actually took the things that actually got you results by having an understanding of what actually gets you results and actually put the same effort that they applied, maybe even less effort towards those things, they would no longer be lazy. They would no longer be unmotivated because they're actually getting what they're working towards. So I hope this helps you. If you're struggling with that, again, if you don't know how this works, you're constantly going to be looking to plans and this and that, and maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. But again, if you don't know what is actually allowing it to work, then you're always going to be a slave to whatever it is you're following. So take that, get the help you need if you're not getting where you want to be as fast as you want to get to there. And just, guys, it's okay to be vulnerable and ask for help. I ask for help all the time. I don't have a problem with it. And that's how I succeed. I get there faster. All right? Have a great day. See you next time.